Starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out on the ocean bed. See how I feel every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I can do.
Welcome back, Bears. I'm Henry.
And I'm Ren, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Monday, September 12th, and yesterday was a day of remembrance for 9/11. Let's not forget all those who died on that fateful day and all of those first responders who rushed to help these people.
Now for some Friday night football news. Many of you showed up and cheered on our Bears football team for their 48-10 win against the Harlan Hawks. Avron Carter started the scoring with a 33-yard from Ashton DeBose, who rushed for 3 touchdowns.
Jason Love, Aaron DeBose, and Nathan Toney each scored touchdowns. Get out Thursday and support them at Bears Stadium at 7 to take on the Taft Raiders. BFND Bears, check out highlights for Twitter by searching for BTV Bears.
Our Lady Bears volleyball team fought hard against Warren but fell in a 3-1 loss Friday. Tomorrow, get out and support them against the Stevens at Northside Sports Gym at 7 p.m. BFND Lady Bears. Good luck.
With Kayla Lyons placing 5th and Daniel Fernandez 6th, our varsity Lady Bears pulled out with the win at the Northeast ISD cross-country meet. Bears cross-country runner Zach Miller placed 9th in the boys' meet. Well done.
Up next for the Bears is the San Antonio ISD meet on Saturday, September 17th. BFND Bears. Tomorrow,
Student Council will hold its first meeting at 4:45 p.m. in the LGI room. You can follow them on Twitter at BearsStuco or on Instagram bears.stuco.
Right. The English teacher Jesse R. Rodriguez and science teacher Lizetta Garza have teamed up for the travel experience with EF Tours this coming summer of 2024. The emphasis is for students that can become better global citizens. For more information, attend a meeting on September 21st.
Finally, Bears make plans to attend the Brennan PTSA Greenback Open House Parent Night from 6:30 to 8 p.m. this Wednesday. Bring your parents to visit with your teachers.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@isd.net.
I'm Ren, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears, and remember, progress reports are available on Hack. Hope you have a good day today.
And I'm Henry. Remember, Bears, keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in your learning.
This is a BTV production.